If you are wondering if you can find the Pro mode in the camera on Google Pixel 10a, then the answer seems to be unfortunately no. So if we open the camera app, then in here we can scroll through all these available photo modes. And as you can see, we have like long exposure, ADMI, portrait, standard photo mode, night sight, and panorama. And that is all that we have in here. Of course, the icon right next to the photo mode or the photo section is the video section, but in here we cannot find anything that is related to the Pro mode as well. The only thing that is somewhat close to the camera Pro mode is this button up here with 3 sliders. If you tap over here, you should be able to find the option to adjust shadows, exposure, and white balance. Of course, this is not really a camera Pro mode. It is missing many additional parameters, like there is no shutter speed, for example, and there is no what else? There is no focus, and so on and so forth. So unfortunately, many options are missing. And the answer is unfortunately no. Google Pixel 10a does not have the camera Pro mode. Leave a like and subscribe.